Chicken can be tasty even when baked. Just season it. So over here I have half of a small chicken, and I seasoned it with lemon pepper, a little salt, and light mustard dressing. And over here I really added a lot of seasoning. I have paprika, ginger powder, clove, zatarain's, and I also have some Bragg's amino acid salt sauce that it's just sitting in and marinating for a little bit before it goes into the oven. And I'm gonna have it in there for a while, so I don't have a problem not marinating in the fridge. I just put it in the oven and the seasoning just soaks in as it bakes.